In this video, I'm going to show you how to change broker in TradingView mobile app. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the bottom right where you can see it says community, and of course you must be on your chart to be able to do that. And down where it says community up top, you can see like an arrow up, arrow down. Now, if you don't have a broker connected, make sure you connect it via that button. And whenever your broker is connected, you want to tap on the icon next to it, so to the right of those two arrows, where you can see the logo of your broker. So as you can see right now, down at the bottom right, this is like turning gray because I'm tapping on it. Now I'm connected to a TradingView paper trading, and if I tap on that, it's going to open up kind of my account information. And if you want to change the broker, you first have to log out of the first broker. Now this is simple. You want to tap and come to the screen I'm at right now, and in the very top left you can see it's going to say whatever. For me it says paper trading. Tap on that, it's going to say likely your broker, and then you could do connect to another broker over here. So as you can see, it says connect another broker, or you could do log out paper trading and log into a different broker that way. So I'm going to do connect another broker here. There we go. And it's going to allow me to basically find one. I can tap on it and then just connect via this button, or I could just go and of course go back once more. There we go. Let me actually show you this if it's going to allow me. There we go. If I go, yeah, okay, so it logged me in automatically this time, but of course you could just log out yourself and then you'll be able to relog into a different broker that way. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.